The parsley tea for weight loss is an excellent ally when it comes to carrying a food plan. The properties of this food are excellent to help us to eliminate toxins and purify the body. Parsley is an aromatic herb widely used in the gastronomic world. It is usually used to flavor different preparations, so its consumption is low in our diet. In natural medicine, it works as a remedy against urinary problems and kidney affections. From this plant, we can use both its leaves and its root. How to make parsley tea to lose 5 kilos in 3 days. This recipe of parsley tea for weight loss can be the initial kick you need to lose a few extra kilos and to cleanse your kidneys of toxins and relieve their work. Ingredients: 1 liter of water, 5 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley and little honey. Preparation: place the water in a saucepan and bring it to high heat. Add the parsley to the water. When it breaks in a boil, stir and remove the container from the fire so that the parsley does not burn. Add honey for taste. Cover the pan and let it rest for 20 minutes. Then strain and drink the infusion. Consumption: drink the parsley tea to lose weight throughout the day. The chopped parsley can consume in your meals, do not waste it. You can drink the cold or hot preparation at any time of the day. Note: just keep in mind that if you drink more quantity at night, you will have to get up several times from your bed to urinate, and maybe that will interfere with your rest. And one last thing, please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.